Hi everyone, I'm Shubham. In this video, we'll talk about analytics and data interpretation. This feature provides you with an all-in-one dashboard to keep track of all the analytics and metrics under one roof. It's a powerful tool for understanding your app's performance and making data-driven decisions. Let's begin from the main dashboard. Navigate to Analytics on the left-hand sidebar. On the Analytics dashboard, you'll see various charts and metrics that provide insights into your app's performance. You can filter the data by different time periods by using the drop-down menu in the top right corner. For example, you can select 7 days, 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months to view a specific date range. To create a new dashboard to track specific metrics, click on the Add New Dashboard button. Give your new dashboard a name and click Create. You'll see a confirmation message that the dashboard was created successfully. Now, to add a chart to this new dashboard, you can go back to the default dashboard, find the chart you want to add, click on the pin chart. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to select which dashboard you want to pin the chart to. Select your new dashboard and click Continue. You'll see a confirmation message that the chart was pinned successfully. You can also unpin a chart from a dashboard. Simply navigate to the dashboard you wish to edit, find the chart you want to remove, click Unpin. And that's how you can use the Analytics and Data Interpretation dashboard to keep track of your app's performance and customize your view. I hope you found this helpful. We'd love to hear your feedback on this feature, so please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.